Section information can be updated on Crowdmark. To do this, you first need to ensure that your course has sections enabled. And if you didn't do this when you were setting up the assessment, you can enable this later by selecting course settings on the left-hand side and then moving the toggle to enable this. If you have created assessments already with section information, what we would suggest is returning any grades for assessments that use this section information before you update students' sections. So once you've returned existing assessments, come into Course Students, select Update Students, and upload a CSV file with your new section information. Now you'll need to make sure that the student IDs, the student email addresses match what you've already used to enroll students. If you are using the LMS and you imported in your course from the LMS, I would also suggest that you select to resync your student roster before you update your students using a CSV, and that just means that your student roster on Crowdmark reflects what you have on the LMS and makes sure that all students are connected back to the LMS so that you can export grades back later. So once you've resynced your roster, you can go ahead and upload your students. And here is where we've got our new section information. So before we uploaded this CSV, we had numeric based section information. So we'll click continue there. And you'll see that we're going to be updating the section information here, and we'll click save. And you'll see here that now we have new sections imported into Crowdmark.